Hello guys, Mike is here. In this video, I show you how to get Selena skin. As you already know, Selena skin will be available in original server in July 2. And this will be our Season 25 first purchase skin. Transformer last piece also available on July 2. So all we have to do is to recharge 100 diamonds. Then you can get Selena Elite skin and also free Transformer passes. The most awaited skin of Selena only for 100 dias. Stay tuned for more updates.